If your Magic Mouse isn't scrolling, it can be incredibly annoying, especially when you're trying to get work done or navigate quickly. The good news is that most scrolling problems come from small glitches and you can usually fix them in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the easiest things to try so you can get your mouse working smoothly again. Start by giving the Magic Mouse a quick reset. Turn it off using the switch on the bottom, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This simple reset often clears temporary issues that stop the scrolling surface from responding the way it should. If that doesn't help, grab a Lightning to USB cable and connect the Magic Mouse directly to your Mac. Plug the Lightning end into the mouse and the USB end into your computer. Wait a few seconds for it to register, then unplug it and try scrolling again. This refreshes the mouse's connection and can resolve problems that Bluetooth alone doesn't fix. Make sure Bluetooth is actually enabled on your Mac and that the Magic Mouse shows up as connected in the Bluetooth settings. Sometimes a brief disconnection can cause scrolling to stop working even though the cursor still moves. While you're in the settings, check for any available system updates. Updates often include small fixes for accessory bugs, including issues with Apple peripherals. Next, go into the mouse settings on your Mac and confirm that scrolling is turned on. It's easy for this setting to be disabled by accident, especially after software updates or switching between different user profiles. Most of the time, these steps take care of the issue, but if your Magic Mouse still refuses to scroll, it may be worth resetting the Bluetooth module or reaching out to Apple support in case the problem is tied to hardware or a deeper system conflict. Once everything is working again, the Magic Mouse should go right back to its smooth, touch-based scrolling you're used to.